Hi, I'm Sprout. Let's crochet this little monster together, nice and slow. Start with a magic ring. Work 8 single crochets into the ring, nice and slow. Pull the ring closed gently, slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 to start the round. Round 2, increase in every stitch 16 total. See how it's forming nicely? Rounds 3 to 4, no increases 16 single crochets each round. Chain 3 gently. Join to the other leg. Single crochet 16 stitches here. Notice how the stitches line up. Work 3 single crochets into the chain space. Continue with 16 single crochets. Work 3 single crochets into the chain space again. Seven single crochets this round. 2 single crochets, then an increase. Then 17 single crochets. 2 single crochets, then an increase. It's shaping up so nicely. Then 10 single crochets. Rounds 7 to 12, no changes, just 42 single crochets around. Round 13, 11 single crochets. Then single crochet 17 stitches in the back loops only. See the little gap forming. 14 single crochets next. Round 14 is worked just like round 13. Rounds 15 to 20, no changes, 42 single crochets around. 5 single crochets, then a decrease. Two single crochets, then a decrease. Repeat that around to finish the round. Round 23, 3 single crochets, then a decrease. Round 24, 1 single crochet, then a decrease. Repeat around. Round 25, 1 single crochet, then a decrease. Stuff gently with fiberfill. Decrease 6 times this round. Leave a space for the mouth between rounds 13 to 14. Go into the front loop only. 17 single crochets. Pick any stitch along the side. Make a W stitch. Work 3 single crochets into 1 stitch. See how it pops. Then 17 single crochets. Make another W stitch on the other side. Work Work 2 to 4 more rounds, even 40 single crochets a round. Crochet the head corners, magic ring, 6 single crochets. Round 2, increase in every stitch 12 total. Round 3, 1 single crochet, then an increase. Rounds 4 to 5, 18 single crochets, no changes. Round 6, 1 single crochet, then a decrease. Start the arms with a magic ring. Work rounds 1 to 6, single crochet 7 stitches around. Crochet the eyes. Magic ring. 6 single crochets. Round 2, 6 single crochets, with an increase. Round 3, 1 single crochet, then an increase. Change yarn and slip stitch around the edge. Assemble everything together. It's coming to life. All done. So cute.